Do you know, guys, there is an examination named as Maharashtra CET if you want to pursue BBA, BMS, BCA, and BBM. My name is Priya, and in this video, we will discuss about the exam paper pattern of Maharashtra CET, the registration process, the application process, the colleges involved under Maharashtra CET as an exam, as well as we will also discuss how we can help you to prepare for the examination. Let's get started. When we see the exam paper pattern, guys, the exam comprises of 5 subjects in the exam. The total number of questions asked in the examination will be 100, and the total marks allocated for the examination is 100 marks. When we see each and every section in detail, the English language will include questions like grammar. You will have questions on antonym, synonym. You will also have questions on parajumbles as well as paracompletion. When we see reasoning and arithmetic as a section, reasoning section includes question analytical as well as logical reasoning. Chapters blood relations, coding, decoding, number series will play a vital role in this reasoning section. Arithmetic will be a part of maths as a whole, but arithmetic includes chapters like percentages, ratio proportion, time per distance, and time and work, SICI, and other chapters will be inclusive in arithmetic as a subject. General knowledge includes questions on current affairs as well as static GK. National and international events has to be captured if you really need to score well in the GK section. Computer basics includes questions on fundamental of computers, CPU, central processing unit, your input output will be a part of the section of basics of computer. Now this examination, guys, is not a paper based examination. This examination is a computer based examination wherein the admit card will be given to you. You need to go to respective center and write the examination. There is no negative marking, guys, so you can there won't be any deduction if you do a question wrong in the examination. The allocated time is 90 minutes. That means in a 1.5 hour you need to complete 100 questions. So this loudly speaks that the examination is a speed based examination, and practice will make a very much difference to score better in the exam. Now here when we see the registration process, the link for registration is cetcell.mahacet.org. Once we go to the website, it appears like this. Okay, you need to go to the CET examination for academic year 2025 and 26. Once you click over here, the page will open like this, and you need to click on the new user and register yourself. Once you click on this, you need to write your name, your last name, email ID, create your own password here, confirm password, write the date of birth, and register. Once you do the registration, it happens only in the first time. You will have the registered email ID as well as a password which you have created. Once you log in again, you have the credentials, sign in. Once you sign in over here, this is the registration process. There are 9 steps which you need to follow across. Personal details we just filled up across, and additionally they will ask you your address, domicile. They will ask you a question whether you're domiciled in Maharashtra or not. Just specify over there. Category details, open category, ST, OBC, whichever category falls in, you need to mention over there. Qualification details, they will ask you to just submit across your 10th standard marks, your which board you belong to. They will want to know that. Exam center selection, please specify your where you want to write the examination. They will give a list of centers to you. Accordingly, where you stay, you can select a nearby location for writing the examination. Upload a passport size photograph and a signature. Upload required document for proof of identity. Now the very much handy document is your Aadhaar card, which majority of the students will upload. So just upload the Aadhaar card. There is other documents also. You can decide upon what you need to upload as a proof of identity. Preview and validate information. This is the most important step, guys. Once the entire form will come in front of you, you can just see that if there are no mistakes made while filling up the application form. Once you validate the information, they will ask you to pay an application fee for writing the examination. That is 1000 rupees for general category students and 800 rupees if you belong to other caste. The application last date, this is very important, the application last date is 20th March, guys. So just don't wait for the last minute to fill up the application, just do it ASAP. If you have any queries, you can just write it in the comment box or get in touch with us for the application. Now here I have covered some top colleges which will accept the Maharashtra CET scores for their courses of BBA, BMS, BCA and BBM. The NM college has a BMS degree. Now this will be under Maharashtra CET. Just to make a clarification that the BBA will in which is in NMIMS will be based on the NPAT scores, guys. So for BMS it's Maharashtra CET. Mithibai, R.A. Poddar, KJ Somaya, Nagindas Khadwala, all will be a part of Maharashtra CET. There are many other colleges in Maharashtra which will accept the Maharashtra CET scores. Lastly, we have batches which have started and which are starting across our centers of Borivali, Dadar, Thane and Vile Parla. I have already given the address to you on the slide as well as the contact numbers. You can reach out to us. We can help you to understand the exam in detail as well as how we are going to prepare you for the examination. Just come to us. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you have any queries, you can write us on the comment section. Thank you.